NCERT 11th class Biology Chapter 4 Animal Kingdom. The subphylum Vertebrate is further divided as follows. Vertebrate division: Laxan jaws, bear's jaws superclass, class bear fins, bear limbs, class amphibian reptiles, avis mammal, class Clystomata. All living member of class Clystomata are ectopress on some fishes. They have an elongated body bearing a 16 up 15 pairs of gills still for respiration. Clastomers have a sucking and circular mouth without jaw. Their body is divided for scale and paired. Fine cranium and vertebral column are cartilages. Circulation of his closed types. Clystos are marine but migrate for swim to fresh water after surfing with a few days. They died their larvae after metamorphosis returned to the ocean. Class Chordaceous. They are the marine animal with a streamlined body and have a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Mouth is located ventrically. Notochord is present throughout life. Gill still are separated and without operculum. Gill cover. The skin is tough, containing minute scales. Teeth are modified plesioid. Scales which are backwardly directly their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predators due to the absence of air bladder. They have to swim consistently to avoid sneaking. Heart is two chamber, one auricular and one ventricle. Some of them have an electrical organ and some possess poison stay. They are cold-blooded animals as they lack the capacities to regulate their body temperature. Sex are separate in males pelvic fin pairs class pair. They have internal fertilization and many of them are pairs. Examples colodons, dogfish, shawfish, class oyster, and include both marine and freshwater fishes with a bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined mouth of mostly terminal. They have a four pairs of gills which are covered by an operculum. One which side skin is covered with a xyloid. Stone scale air bladder is present with a regulated biocon. Heart is two chamber, one auricle and one ventricle. They are the cold-blooded animals. Sex are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous and development is direct. Example: marine. Class Amphibia. Medak. As the name indicates, amphibia due to bios life. Amphibian can be live in aquatic as well as a terrestrial habitat. Most of them have two pairs or limb. Bodies divided into head and trunk till may present in some. The amphibian skin is moist without skill. The eyes have eyelid. Attempted represented the ear. Alimentary canal, a urinary reproductive tract open into a common chamber called colca, which open to the exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs, and through skin. The heart is three chamber, two auricle and one ventricle. These are cold-blooded animals. Sex are separate. Fertilization is external. They are oviparous and development is indirect. Example: Bufo, Rana, Hoylam, Reptilia. The class name refer to their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Latin refer to the reptile to creep crawl. They are mostly terrestrial animal and their body is covered by dry and coniferous skin. Epidermal scale is cut. They do not have external air opening. Usually three chambered but four chambered in crocodile. Reptiles are potent. Snakes, a lizard shed their scale as skin cast. Sex are separated. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is the example corners testos पता नहीं कौन से गार्डन रेंजर क्रोकोडाइल्स एलिगेटर lizard. Class avis. The characteristic feature F's bird are the presence of feature, and most of them can fly except flightless bird. The process back. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have skills are modified for walking, swimming, and classifying. The three branches skin is dry without gland except the oil gland at the base of tail. Endoskeleton is fully ossified bony and the long bones are hollow with the air cavities. The digestive tract of bird has additional chamber. The crop and gizzard heart is completely four-chambered. They are warm-blooded omnivores animal. They are able to maintain a consistent body temperature. Respiration is by some bird. Nephron stirs pow is connected to lungs. Supplement respiration. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Example choruses. Class Mammalia. They are found in variety of habitat. Polar ice cap desert mountain forest, grassland and dark colways. Some of them have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk production gland, mammary gland, by which the young ones are noticed. They have two pairs of limbs, adapted for walking, running, climbing, brown, swimming, or flying. The skin. Some mammals, Ornithomacros, Petros, Belatoporus. Mammals is unique in possessing hair, external air Panes are present. Different type of teeth are present in jaw. Heart is four-chambered. They are omnivores. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate, and fertilization is internal. They are viviparous with a few expectation, and development is direct. Example: oviparous, Ornithoporus, Platerus, viviparous, Macroporus, kangaroo, Petropause, Camelos, Maca, monkey, Canis, Phils, Elephas. The silent disgustive feature of all phyla under animal kingdom given by table 4.2. Silent feature different phyla in the animal kingdom. Level of organization, symmetry, coelom, segmentation, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive feature. Poriferous, cellular, various, absent, body with pores and canal and walls. Tissue हो गया radial, absent, incomplete, absent tissue, radial, absent, incomplete, absent, complete locomotion, platyhelminthes, organ bilateral, absent, incomplete, absent, flat body sucker, escalhelminthes, organ system, bilateral, pituitary, absent, complete, absent, often worms and elongated. Annelid organ system, bilateral, present, complete, present, absent, body segment action like rings. Arthropod organ system, bilateral, silular, present, complete, present, to cuticle joint appendage. Mollusk organ system, bilateral, silular, absent, complete, present, external skeleton of cell usually present. Echinodermata organ system, radial, cilometa absent, complete, present, water vascular system, radial symmetry. Hemichordate organ system, bilateral, cilomate absent, complete, present, worm like with a proboscis collar and trunk. Chordata organ system, bilateral, cilomate present, complete, present, not cord, dorsal, hollow, nerve cord, gill still with limbs of fin. The basic fundamental features such as a level organization, symmetry, cell organization, coelom, segmentation, knot cord, etc. have enabled us broadly classify the animal kingdom. Basic the fundamental feature, they are the many other static characters which are specific for each phyla class. Porifera include multicellular animal which exhibit cellular level of organization and have a characteristic flagella and the Coelomatia have a tentacle. Be a kind of they have. Thank you for watching.